Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. We got more Splat balls in. These are different. I think it's a new set. So we're gonna take a look at these. I'll just pick this one up so I can show you guys the Splat ball. Oh man, I don't know how to hold this package for it to look pleasing. Is it pleasing yet? There we go. There are 6 styles. Here it is. Here they are on the back. And here's the rest of the back for your reference. Let's see. Looks like there is like an ice cream bowl, like a waffle bowl, a mouse, a happy face, which we've seen already. That smiley face. We've seen the little smiling poo, a tomato, and a light bulb. So let's open these up and see what fun we can have with these. So I'm gonna set these aside and we'll open them one at a time. Alright, first up we have the waffle bowl ice cream. So let's tear that one open. Check that out. It's really jiggly. Squishy, here's the squishiness. Alright, so let's get some splatting going. Alright, I'll try to get some good one for the camera. Alright, so that was the ice cream. This looks pretty good. This looks pretty cool. Alright. That was the ice cream. We'll place the ice cream right here. If it'll stay, probably won't. Put it sideways or something, I don't know. Alright, next up, Smiley Face. We've seen this one before. I should probably... Oh, you know what I didn't talk about? Let's see, what? Watch this, but this is for ages 4+. I didn't read the back. Toss at a smooth, slick surface. Watch flatten out and reform. Alright. Well, if you haven't seen the first Splat ball video, pretty sure I mentioned it then. Here we go. Alright, we got, it's the smiley face again. Squishy. Alright, and let's throw them down, shall we? That was a good one. Alright, that was the smiley face. Show right there. Be happy with the ice cream next to you. Alright, next up we have the little poop with the smiley face. Open this guy up. I think we've seen this one before. Try and get close in there. Alright. I've learned this time to throw them at an angle so you guys get a better view at the actual splatting as opposed to dropping it straight down. One more. That's the poop. So, you know, you're happy eating ice cream, but then, you know, those lactate people, this is me right here. Alright, next up, light bulb. Open this baby up. Alright, we got the little light bulb here. This one kind of reminds me of the egg one, just without the yolk on the inside, and then we have the little screwed part here. Alright. Yeah, we got some good ones in there. Alright, light bulb. There we go. Alright, next up we have this. This is either a rat or a mouse. But it looks like a mouse to me. So I'm gonna call it a mouse. Wow, look at this. Ooh. Look at this little guy right here. Got those white eyes too, staring at you. Alrighty, nice. Oh, he's got the tail. The tail is it attached to him? Yeah, I think it is. Alright. kind of gross to look at. All right, once again, that was the mouse. There we go. And lastly, we have the tomato splat ball. All right, here's the tomato. Squishy. Very nice. There's just something satisfying about watching it splat and, oh, look at that, and reform. All right, so that was the splat ball. This, according to the package, says Series 1, so maybe I should have paid attention to the first time I did a splat ball video and figured out what, oh, I'm not even centered here, series that was. But I did have the packaging in there, so yeah, these were more splat balls, very interesting. Ice cream, smiley face, poop, light bulb, mouse, tomato. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like this video, check out our channel and check out more videos where we're unboxing toys, candies, drinks, whatever. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.